is in such a huge mess right now because I just finished filming a video for Yes Style. Now I need to clear things up. Filmed a video for Yes Style where they gave me this t-shirt. I love it. I think the video should be up by now. It's a giveaway, so if you missed it, I will link it in the card, I guess. Do join the giveaway. It's international and I love giving back to you guys. Why is it so messy? Hello, okay, welcome to this vlog. I have just cleared my room and I thought I would do an intro for this vlog because I know I haven't done an intro yet. So I've actually been attempting to vlog my month of June. I do have some footage here and there throughout the month, but I'm not really happy with how they are. I think it's because of the phase 2 hidden alert, so I was always at home. I don't think I went out for the month of June, to be honest, but we're finally heading out this weekend, so I was like, oh, okay, maybe I should vlog from today until next Tuesday, I think, because next Tuesday is actually my boyfriend and I's 8th anniversary, so I have no idea where we're going. But yeah, we're heading out this weekend, so I will be vlogging. Throughout the month, there was some fun stuff that happened that I didn't vlog, like Father's Day, the BTS meal, but what I want to talk about today is actually my COVID vaccination, which I just got my first dose on Saturday, and I want to talk about my side effects and like my experience. So the injection itself was not painful at all. I wanted to film, but honestly I was a little bit nervous, so I didn't film, but turns out it was not painful at all. So I got my shot on Saturday, and then for the next 2 days I experienced like soreness and like pain and tightness at the injection area. So it was quite bad the next day. Like this, I think, was like the max that I could raise my arm, so I couldn't do a lot of things. I sort of considered my left arm paralyzed for like the 2 days. Like for example, when I was washing my face, I couldn't like do this. I had to like bring my face down, and then at night when I was charging my phone, I couldn't like grab my phone. I had to like move my entire body. So that was like the first 2 days after the shot, and then on the 3rd day it got a lot better, so I thought that was like the end of the side effects, but no. I started experiencing like muscle twitching, like muscle spasm. I'm gonna put a footage so you can see how serious it is. It's super obvious, and it was like the worst experience ever because it just felt so uncomfortable and it looked so weird because like you're not moving your body, but like you're seeing your body move on its own, and it felt just super uncomfortable. So that was on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday, which was yesterday, in the morning there was still some of the twitching sensation or whatever you want to call it, but it was a lot better than before. So again, I thought that's the end of the side effects, but no. During the afternoon, I actually got feverish and I was actually quite hot. And I was feeling very sick, to be honest. Like when I was trying to walk around my house, I couldn't balance properly, and basically I just felt really sick. So I took like a total of 4 Panadols yesterday. This morning I definitely felt a little bit feverish, but a lot better. Not enough for me to take more Panadols, but yeah, I was definitely feverish and wasn't feeling like 100%. I was still feeling very tired. My whole body was like aching, and it's not like, you know, aching from like workouts. It's more of like, you know, feverish kind of body aches. Yeah, that brings us to today where I just decided to take the day off because I'm just so tired and so sick. I just can't work anymore, because yesterday I started getting feverish during the afternoon and I had a freaking presentation, so I literally did my presentation while having a fever. Like I don't even know if I should be proud of myself or like ashamed that I didn't prioritize myself and like excuse myself from the presentation. But yeah, it's done and over with, so I just told myself that I really need to rest today. So yeah, that is the little update that I want to share with you guys. Let me know if you have already gotten your vaccination done, what are your side effects, and yeah, I'm really curious to know because I really wasn't expecting myself to experience so many side effects. Your package just arrived. Hello everyone, so I am about to begin my hair transformation. So the story is I've been thinking of going lighter for summer. I've been thinking of going blonde, not completely blonde, but just like have some bits of blonde in my hair and then just overall lighter hair color than my current hair. I'm not sure if you guys know, but I have been doing my hair at Hair Plus Korean Salon for the longest time ever, and they just don't let me bleach my hair because they know how damaging it is and they prioritize the health of my hair. So I've decided to take things into my own hands, and so I bought like a ton of box dyes. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, I think those are this. Good morning everyone. So hair update, this is what it looks like right now. It's definitely lighter and it also lightened my brows, which I am very amazed about. This is the first time I have noticeably lighter brows. I'm gonna do another round of the primer today, like right now. Wait, I need to get dressed first because I'm wearing my Gymshark shirt. There's no way I'm gonna dye my hair on my Gymshark shirt. Makeup is done. I went for something quite simple, I guess. So now I need to do my hair. I haven't decided what I want to do with it because, you know, I just bleach it, so I don't really want to style too much, but I feel like I need to like straighten it a little bit at least because it's quite frizzy. It's very yellow because it's really dark right now. It is raining heavily.
on our way to 42 Homely, which is like a showroom for the website 42.
On my site.